Let's add speed to the images with the dynamic movement blur effect in Photoshop. Make sure the image you are working on is a smart object and shows some movement. First go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Path Blur, and it will open this new layout and a blue arrow in the center. Click on its point to activate them and move them around to create a blurry path. The center point of the arrow is used to create curve in the blurry path, as the blurry path is not properly visible right now because the centered blur is checked, as it centers the blur shape. So uncheck it for more directed motion blur. Its setting is here in Blur Tools panel with two options for path blur in drop down: basic blur and rear sync flash, and both offer a preset. Create more arrows by clicking on the image to start off a path and then click where you want to end of it. Press enter or return to complete the arrow, otherwise it will continue to create points wherever you click. As I said in the start, let's add speed. In this setting, increase the speed percentage to around 200 and see the blur has increased. Then increase the taper value around 50 to 20% as it controls the blur trail. If you want more extended blur curves, then check edit blur shape, which will give us these red arrows. Drag them to extend the blur parts. Also make sure to check high quality at top. Press OK to apply. As it's a smart object, we can change it anytime we want by double clicking the effect. Now let's restore some details. So activate the smart filter mask, press B for the brush tool, select soft round brush, flow around 25%, foreground color to black, and tint on the parts where you want to hide the blur effect and get the subject into focus. The other variation we can do is select the subject, convert it to smart object, apply the path blur effect on it, duplicate it, and modify the angles and position of arrows of path blur on each layer. Make 2 to 3 duplicates of it. Then reveal the subject, or we can put the full model at top. And that's how we can add speed in images. Here are few more examples of it. Let me know which one you like the most. If you are watching till here, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment what should we create next in Photoshop. Also follow me on my socials, links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.